Starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to share your thoughts, connect with others, and even earn some money. Many people think you need a fancy camera and editing software, but that's not true. You can start a successful YouTube channel today with no money and no need to show your face. This guide will show you how, step by step. We'll use free online tools to make this process easy. From finding what people want to watch to creating your videos, it's all simpler than you think. Don't worry if you've never done anything like this before. We'll explain everything in a way that anyone can understand. So, if you've always wanted to be a YouTuber but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and learn how to make your mark on the platform without ever stepping in front of a camera. The first step is to choose what you'll make videos about. This is called your niche. It's important to pick something people are interested in so you'll have viewers. Luckily, there are free tools to help with this. Google Trends at trends.google.com, shows you what people are searching for online. Type in different topics and see which ones are popular. Another great tool is Answer the Public at answerthepublic.com. It gives you questions people ask about specific topics. Think about what you enjoy and know. Do you like technology, motivational stories, artificial intelligence, finance, or making lists? These are all popular niches. Once you find something that interests you and has a lot of searches, you've found your niche. Now it's time to make your videos. Don't worry, you won't need a camera or editing skills. We'll use AI tools to do the hard work for us. First, we need a script. ChatGPT at chat.openai.com, is a free tool that writes text for you. Just tell it what your video is about. For example, you could type, write a YouTube script about the top 5 passive income ideas. ChatGPT will create a script you can use. Next, we need a voiceover. ElevenLabs at ElevenLabs.io, generates realistic voices from text. You can even clone your own voice if you want. Finally, we need visuals for our video. Pictory at Pictory.io, and Canva at Canva.com, are great for this. They have stock footage and animated templates you can use. Just add your script and voiceover, and your video is ready. With your video complete, it's time to upload it to YouTube. But first, you need a few things. Create an eye-catching thumbnail using Canva. This is the first thing people see, so make it count. Next, write a strong title and description using keywords related to your video. TubeBuddy at TubeBuddy.com, and VidIQ at VidIQ.com, are helpful for finding the right keywords. Once your video is uploaded, promote it on social media and in online communities related to your niche. Consistency is key on YouTube. Try to upload videos regularly, like once a week. A great tip is to batch produce your content. Create 4 to 5 videos at once so you always have something ready to upload. Starting a YouTube channel takes effort, but don't give up. With creativity and these tools, you can build a successful channel without spending any money or showing your face. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating.